rat update protecting the Toyota truck. I'm gonna move the horse trailer out, move this firewood over here, lift it up, and then put the horse trailer between it, and then I'll park my car over here, and maybe that'll put a bigger barrier for the mice. So I just left Home Depot and had them load my truck, and I had two women back here. It took them like 20 minutes to try to figure out how to get this back here. And I was like, I bet they stack them so when I take a corner, they're gonna roll and tear up my truck and break things. So I pulled her out off the first lot and checked. I mean, what kind of idiot stacks a concrete block like that with no support when you're driving so it can roll off and break? I swear. You know, you gotta hire all these women at Home Depot. They couldn't even lift the damn barrels. It took like 3 of them just to lift one of these cement blocks. I should have just stacked it myself. Now I gotta redo it. Imagine that. Quota hires, making me redo my shit. Okay, finally finished moving all this stuff. I'll still you with it. What you doing, boy? So, got my hood up. See, I still have that steel wool around there. I don't see any more rat poop. So now instead of having the firewood here, it's over here. And a little bit more. I should have done this before anyway because it gave me more room, and I just know it's going to get wet. The firewood's going to get more wet and exposed to rain and snow out here. And this is probably a place for the rats can get down and go into. So I'm going to drop a little bit of poison down in here because I know the rabbit and Moki can't get down in there. So I'm going to drop a little piece of poison down below that. This little corn trap hasn't caught anything. So I don't know why, but it hasn't. Oh, I keep hearing that bell going off. So the firewood's done, and the horse trailer's over here now. And it gives me a little more room for the truck. I keep hearing that sensor going off. I put this little sensor here to see if the mouse would come, and he didn't. So now I put it here because I think there's a stray cat coming in. So when somebody walks in here, this is going to go off. So that's why it's faced at the kitty door. I don't know if it's Moki or some other cat. All right, we'll end it there.